The NRZ claimed that the war was built on top of a disused, privately owned siding, leading to a now defunct factory, which is currently being demolished after the property was bought by a Chinese-owned company last year to prevent thieves from accessing their newly acquired property. Sanapera mashoko anoona kuti aiwa National Railways of Zimbabwe has been slammed over illegal during built across railway line in Harare and ZVAITWA on the bail of investigative journalist and filmmaker Obot has castigated the National Railways of Zimbabwe for what he describes as negligence in allowing a wall to be constructed across a railway line in Harare, Willowvale industrial area without proper authorization. The controversy centers on a permanent bridge was reportedly built across a disused railway siding at 44 Tilbury Road by a Chinese national identified as Miss Lee. NRZ claimed that the wall was built on top of a disused privately owned siding, leading to a now defunct factory, which is currently being demolished after the property was bought by Chinese-owned company last year to prevent thieves from accessing their newly acquired property. The NRZ also claimed that it holds no mandate over the disused railway line in question, claiming that responsibility for such infrastructure now falls under the jurisdiction of the city of Harare. However, in a public statement, Chimono accused the NRZ of failing in its regulatory duties and called its response to the issue pitiful, he said. Constructing any permanent brick and mortar structure over a former railway line requires a change of land use approval, building permits from the City of Harare and environmental clearance. Chimono argued that unless formally deregistered or repurposed under Zimbabwean law, the line remains part of the regulated transport corridor. These guys are now malfunctioning. Zviitiko zvakadai zvichiitika munyika kuti aiwa war inouya ichivakiwa across the railway line. Zvinoratidza kuti kana pasina allegations of corruption kuti this Chinese ari kuonekwa achibuilda this wall achiappruvwa nethe council yemuharare, zvinoratidza kuti aiwa pane ma-raising questions anenge aripo. Tiudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.